Hey guys, I made a box piñata for my nephew's birthday. The theme was Sunny and Melon. For the 6 sides, I cut squares out of cardboard. For 5 of those sides, I cut a smaller square in it. On the back side, I covered the hole with paper. You could use thin or thick paper and add as many layers as you want. I covered the front side with paper to have a flat surface. And repeated this with the other sides. For the top side, I made 2 holes to hang the piñata and cut out a tab to add the candy. Using an X-Acto, cut 3 sides of a square, turn the cardboard over, and slice the 4th side to create a tab. I twisted the X-Acto to make the holes. I added string and tied a knot. I also taped it. Next, glue all the sides together. I drew a line down the center to separate the characters. Then I covered the edges with streamer. I hadn't bought the green streamer yet, so I did one character at a time. Next, fold the streamer multiple times, cut slits, and unfold it. Starting from the bottom, glue the streamer to the box. Partly overlap the previous row until you reach the top. I did the bottom of the box, the sides, then the top. I cut out different colors of paper to make the faces. For the sunglasses, I glued black strips over the colors. I cut out seeds and planned out the watermelon lines. I covered the top corner in red made sure it fit the border, and glued the seeds. Then covered the rest of the edges with streamer. For the corners, cut slits and press them down. I also covered the tab. Starting from the bottom, glue the streamer to the box. Partly overlap the previous row until you reach the top. I did the bottom, the sides, then the top. I could only find light green streamer, so for the watermelon lines, I glued streamer to the back of dark green tissue paper to make it thicker. Then I glued the dark green strips. I added the border to the corner. Then I added the faces. If the streamer lifts up, add glue. Add your treats and hang it. And here's how it turned out.